Hey guys, what's up? I am back with another unboxing video, and today I finally have the Tecno Camon 40. And guys, and this is the little brother of the Tecno Camon 40 Pro that I just unboxed a couple of days ago. So on the front it says we have 50 megapixel main camera on the back. We have AMOLED 120 Hz refresh rate display. We also have IP66 water and dust resistance. So the box, it is very similar to the Camon 40 Pro which you expect. Also on the back we have some more specs. So we have MediaTek Helio G100 Ultimate SoC. We also have 5200 mAh battery size with a 45 watt super fast charging. We also have stereo speakers, Dolby Atmos support. On the front we have a 32 megapixel selfie camera. So very interesting to see how is the Camon 40 is gonna looks like. In the green color we also have 8 GB of RAM with a 256 GB of internal storage, and this is the emerald glow green color. So now let's unbox the Tecno Camon 40 in the green color. So now let's remove the plastic first, and let's open this box like this. And on the top we have our device, Tecno Camon 40 in the green color. Once again, these are the main highlighting feature of the Camon 40. We also have a lot of AI features on the Tecno Camon 40. So now let's start the phone from this wrapping. And as you can see, here is the green color looks like. I gotta say this phone looks really beautiful. I'm really impressed by the design language of the Camon 40. And on the back we have a dual cameras. We have 50 megapixel main camera, then we have 8 megapixel ultra wide. So the back, it is made up of plastic, and the frame also it is made up of plastic. So now let's quickly boot this phone up. So now let's see what test we get, and then the phone. So we have our silicone case, and here is our warranty card information, and here is our 45 watt super fast charger, and lastly we have our USB type C to USB A cable. No hand free inside the box, and here is the SIM injection tool which is right there. So on the bottom we have our speaker, USB-C port, main microphone, as well as our SIM tray. So you can see it is looks like we have hybrid SIM slot, so you can use one micro SD card with a 1 nano SIMs or a 2 nano SIMs at the same time. So on the left hand side we have our another button which you can customize very easily. So on the top we have IR blaster, another speaker with another microphone. So volume up and volume down rocker with a power on button, it is on the right hand side. We have 50 megapixel main camera with 8 megapixel ultra wide. Lastly we have AI lens looks like, and on the back we have matte finish, and this phone feels absolutely gorgeous. Also the weight balance is done excellent despite having a 5200 mAh battery size. So on the front we have gorgeous 6.7 inch 120 Hz Full HD plus AMOLED display with the center punch hole on the top, and the bottom machine, it is really small. I would say really impressed by the screen to body ratio we have with the Camon 40. So now let's quickly set up this phone up, and then we will continue. And guys, here is the first boot of the Tecno Camon 40, and the wallpaper looks exactly the same as that we get on the Camon 40 Pro. So the first impression about the display quality, let's see the max brightness. So the notification panel once again is inspired from iOS, as you can see. So here's the max bright that looks like, and the display looks really bright. I would say we don't have any issue at all. So let's go to the settings, and now let's go my phone, and this one is running on latest Android 15. Also we have a iOS version 15. We have a 256 GB of internal storage out of only 22.15 GB it is already used. So now let's go to the refresh rate. Inside the refresh rate, as you can see, we have 120 Hz refresh rate. Also we have a lot of AI features on the Tecno Camon 40. So you can see we have our call assistant, we also have translation assistant, social assistant, we also have document writing, AI note, recording, summary, AI wallpaper generator. So now let's see the in-display fingerprint scanner. So the fingerprint scanner, it is, as you can see, it is not the fastest. I don't know why. Let's see the screen on, and with the screen on, the fingerprint scanner, it is slightly faster, I would say, but the animation is take almost a 1 second. So now let's look at the camera. So this phone has a dual cameras. We have our 50 megapixel main camera, as you can see. So here is the 8 megapixel ultra wide. So here is the video mode. Here is the ultra steady mode, and the back camera maximum shoot only 1440p at 30 fps. The back camera we also have HDR mode, which gave you a better highlights, and we also have a bokeh mode, which gave you a background blur. We also have dual view video mode, and here's ultra wide looks like in the video, with same options available for ultra wide as well. The ultra wide maximum shoot only full HD. So here is the flash snap, and here is the portrait mode. Portrait mode also available with a different focal length, which is a really useful feature. So in the mode section we also have our pro mode, we also have vlog mode, we also have super macro mode, we also have slow motion. So all those things it is available. So let's look at the front facing camera. So this phone has a 32 megapixel selfie camera, and the selfie camera, especially in this lighting condition, looks okay, but I will doing a separate video on the cameras of the Camon 40. So here is the video mode. The front camera also shoot only 1440p at 30 fps. The bokeh mode also available with the front facing camera, and even the ultra steady mode also available. So here is the portrait mode, and here is the super night mode. And in the mode section and the slow motion, it is not available with the front facing camera. So now let's talk about the battery size. Again, this phone has a 5200 mAh battery size, and combined with the 45-watt super fast charging, this phone should give you at least 1.5 days of battery life on heavy use without any problem. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Tecno Camon 40. And do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and follow me on Instagram as well as on X, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.